Electrical transformers. Electrical transformers are the backbone of every power system. Proper training ensures safe operation, reliable performance, and extended equipment life. Without it, failures can mean catastrophic downtime, fires, or costly outages. At EFTI, we provide expert, instructor-led transformer training across North America, helping engineers and transformer technicians improve safety, reliability, and compliance. We offer live online scheduled courses for individual electricians, engineers, and technicians, and customized live online and in-person group training for companies with teams of electrical professionals. These are the electrical transformer courses we offer. Transformer maintenance. Our transformer maintenance training course teaches how to inspect, test, and maintain transformers. Learn failure prevention, diagnostic testing, and condition assessment techniques to keep your assets operating safely and efficiently. Advanced Transformer. Our advanced transformer training goes deeper, covering design principles, system integration, protection schemes, and advanced diagnostics. This course is ideal for those who already understand the fundamentals and want to master complex transformer systems. We're also developing a brand new course, Understanding Dielectric Fluids in Electrical Transformers. You'll explore insulating oils and alternatives, fluid testing methods, contamination issues, and the critical role fluids play in transformer performance and longevity. Students earn CEU and Professional Development Hour credits, a certificate of course completion, and take-home materials like digital electrical handbooks and technical guides to support ongoing learning. Our training is interactive. Ask questions, solve problems, and work through real-world scenarios, whether you attend online or in person. Choose the transformer training course that matches your role, your system, and your industry. Train with us to improve safety, prevent failures, and keep your transformers performing at their best.